you really know that I always give free signals concerning the forex market on YouTube every week? Yes, all you just have to do is actually to join me live, because we always just do these links live on YouTube. Let me just show you something, because I just want to show you what you'll be doing and you're just going to love it. Tell me if it is nice. Let me just know that in the comment section, but just look at how this is amazing. Just come with me here on the screen. So if you actually look at this, let me just move this here. If you look at this is how the market has just been doing. This is gold, so we are going to start with the gold. I'm going to be showing you how this gold have been doing. So this is gold. So as you can see, this is gold, and this is how it has been moving with time. You can see all this move here from all this position going all the way. This market is actually live now. This is the trending view. So this is how this market has just been doing. This is where it is right now. But I just want us to get back. I show you something that is very interesting. For example, if I go to some of the week here on the videos that we have done, this is, you can see this is 2 weeks ago. This video is still on the YouTube. So I was doing this video live on the YouTube. So this is 2 weeks ago, as you can see here. Now, what was our predictions of the god? Because look at this, listen to that. I'll even mute this
here across this region, and we can have the market retesting all this way up. So that will be very possible in case we get that on the data that is going to be printed at 3:15 p.m. Remember that. Now, we have been having the US swell that has been moving up.
So that is the count. So you can see, even at touching this point, on that touching that point, we even saying that it's going to move all the way down to 1810 and then jump up. So what happened, what really happened to the gold is that it actually moved all this way, and this is what we did the next week, because those were 2 weeks ago. Let me show you something. On this is 9 weeks ago. That means that it's like after 1 week. So after 1 week, this is what our analysis was. You can see the gold and actually moved to our support area, and then we bought from that zone. We bought from this area, and what happened, you can see even the gap was created. Remember, this was the time we were trending NFP news, and this is what happened.
To 1 day time frame, so that there is something we have. If you'll be joining our market outlook every Monday, we have been talking about this position over here. Even after, even on Friday when we were trading live, we still mentioned this. I was to buy at this position, and I actually bought at this region when I was live. You saw that cross 1810. And we were selling all this way, because you can see the TP was it. So if you've been following that, then you know so well that this.
So that was very amazing here. So you can see we actually bought with the way from 1810, and the market moved all this way. So after that, what went on? Because you can see this just been moving here. So let me show you something else here. Expanding this. So if you look well at this screen, this is what happened next. Look at that. This is what happened next. The market even crossed and touched here our trend line, because you can see all this move here. We bought at this region here, and this market touched all the way up and continued actually to move even to touch here. And then after market crossed here, we took some times. And what did we say in this video? Now remember, this video now is how many days, how old is this video? If you can actually check, this is 2 days ago. 2 days ago, what do we say here? Let's look at that. 2 days ago, and then look at that.
This market now moving all this up again. So so many people can just be buying.
Have you checked those arrows? Because I have highlighted this area, I have highlighted here, and we saying this market was to move again all the way up to 1844. That is where you can see those ones, that region being here after touching this region. Let me just, because this is 2 days ago, let me just show you now the exact position where this gold is now. Currently the price of the gold right now is here. So You can see that this is amazing. This is amazing. These are the free signals that I've been giving you here. So you can see we said the movement was to come right all the way to here when this market came here, all this position, and went all this way up. And as we talk now, this market is around this position now. This market is now going to touch. You can see even I didn't remove my arrows that I was drawing here when this market was on this area now, and this market is here. Tell me, are these not free signals that I always give you on YouTube? Are these not free signals? The only thing that you can just do is to make sure that you subscribe, turn on notification bell anytime I'm live on YouTube. We actually go on Monday 10 a.m. You can just join me on Monday. We just do this analysis, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and you can just be part of this. You can even comment now, one you can just check on the pair that you just trend, and then this is going to be very amazing for you as a trader. Begin your weekly market forecast with me here, and you're going to be making a lot of money when it comes to forex trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Always remember to follow me on our social media platform at Dan Tech Forex for more forex and occasions. See you next time. Adios. Bye bye.